Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to share cart on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the shop interface. So if you want to share the cart, what you have to do is go to the cart interface. So for that, tap on the cart icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to see the items that you've added to the cart over here. So in order to share it, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find three options over here. Tap on this option, share. Now you'll be able to share the cart. What you have to do is select the items of the cart that you would like to share. Simply tap on that particular item. Or you can also select all by tapping on the all option that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you're done, tap on the share option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see the platforms where you'll be able to share your cart. Simply tap on the platform of your choice, or you can also save the image if you want. Tap on this option, save image. Likewise, you'll also be able to share the link. For that, tap on this option, copy link that you can see on the screen. Now the link has been copied. Now go to the platform of your choice. For example, I'm opening WhatsApp. Now tap on the chat in which you would like to share the link. Now tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is simply paste the link that you copied earlier. You can do it from the clipboard if you want. Tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here your cart has been shared. Now if somebody taps on that link, you'll be able to see your cart over here. So like this, you'll be able to share your cart. So that is how you share your cart on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.